Forrest, do you have the hiccups? Can I see this for a second? Hey, Forrest, do you have the hiccups? What do you think, buddy? Are they gone? Oh, there one was again. Say, I miss you, Daddy.